Hey guys, I'm Milan with 2ProBeats and welcome to my studio live. Today I want to show you a different approach to mixing by using a visual mixer. This approach is very different than the traditional approach by using faders and pan knobs. I'll be using Neutron 2 from Izotope. Let's see how the visual mixer works in Neutron 2. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit that notification button, drop a like. First I want to explain how the visual mixer works. I have a copy of Neutron 2 on every single channel in the mix. I have renamed every single instance of Neutron 2. I have the visual mixer plugin inserted on my master bus. It will communicate with each instance of Neutron. When you change something on the visual mixer, it will affect the instance of Neutron for that track. For example, on the kick, I have selected the kick. You will see that the pan on the Neutron inserted on the kick will change. Same with the level, and we also have the width in the mixer. A great feature is that you can hide the tracks you don't want to see in the visual mixer. I have a choir section for parts. I want to exemplify how the visual mixer works because you can visualize the placement and the level of the sound. and you can take snapshots. You have 3 snapshots. I think this way of mixing is pretty amazing. Having the visual feedback helps me a lot to understand what's going in the mix, the position of everything in the mix. You can pinpoint where you need to place an element from the mix. For me, that's pretty amazing. There are a few things that can be improved. For example, I would love to see like a full screen, so you have all that real estate, because as you can see in the window, things can get crowded. That doesn't help. Color coding is another feature that probably will improve a lot the workflow of the visual mixer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Drop a like. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment. Please join our Facebook group. It's called Mix Talk. Link in the description. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see gear porn. Why not? Thanks for supporting. See you guys next time.